National symbols of India. India is our motherland and we are proud of our country. Our national symbols remind us unity in diversity in our country. It is our duty to respect our national symbols. Let us talk about the Indian national symbols in details. The national flag. Our national flag is called tricolor. Our national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 22 July 1947. It was hoisted for the first time at the Red Fort in Delhi on 15 August 1947, when India got freedom from the British rule. Our national flag is rectangular in shape. It has 3 horizontal bands in different colors: saffron, white and green. Saffron stands for sacrifice and courage. White stands for peace and truth. Green stands for prosperity. In the center of the white band there is a navy blue wheel known as the Ashoka Chakra. It is the wheel of law. The wheel stands for motion and progress. The wheel has 24 spokes representing 24 hours. While hoisting the national flag, we must follow some rules. The saffron band must always be at the top. The flag should be flown from sunrise to sunset. Whenever the national flag is hoisted or lowered, we must stand in an attention position. The national flag must be at the top of all the flags at the place. The national anthem. Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. It was written by great poet and writer Rabindranath Tagore. The national anthem is sung during national festivals and on all the important occasions. We must show respect to our national anthem whenever it is sung or played by standing in an attention position. The national emblem. Our national emblem has been taken from the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh. It is called the Lion Capital. Our national emblem has 4 lions facing the 4 directions, but only 3 can be seen at a time. The base of the emblem has a horse and a bull and also a wheel between them. Below the wheels, the words Satyamev Jayate are written, which means truth alone triumphs. The 4 lions are considered to be the guardians of the 4 directions, who stand for courage and power. In the emblem, the horse denotes energy and speed and the bull denotes hard work. We can find our national emblem on coins, currency notes, postage stamps, letters, envelopes, and all the government documents. The national song. Our national song is Vande Mataram. It was composed by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. The song has been taken from his novel, The Anandamath. The novel is written in Bengali. During the freedom struggle, the freedom fighters used to sing this song and the song inspired them. Sing the song respectfully. The national animal. The Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. It is a symbol of grace, strength, and power. It is protected in national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. The national bird. The peacock is the national bird of India. In some states, the peacock is considered sacred. It is a symbol of beauty, grace, and joy. The national flower. The lotus is the national flower of India. The flower is a symbol of truth, knowledge, and wealth. Our national symbols show that we are one. They signify the freedom, sovereignty, and unity in diversity of our country.